Are you looking for a way to kind of brainstorm your different meetings? Maybe you're a principal and you're thinking about your staff meetings, or you're superintendent and you're just trying to brainstorm, how do I organize these meetings? And so every district that I've been in has some type of yearly goals. And so is there any new information that you need to add within those yearly goals? Is there any follow-up that needs to be done? And with Cami, you can come in here and do a brainstorm of how you want this staff meeting to be run. You can come in and add audio notes, video notes. You could add in text boxes or even text comments to these different goals and where you're at without that process. Then you can write out any reminders that you want to cover during this meeting, if there's any staff shout outs or notes. And what I typically will do is I will just have this tab open and I will just every single day before that staff meeting, maybe I have a week ahead of time, come in and jot down ideas as I see different celebrations to be had, or even just reminders as I'm thinking about things. So, again, this can be a great way, and you could share this with a collaborator, and they could also add to this idea of your notes. So, again, multiple different ways that you can use this template and share with your secretary or an assistant principal. And then they could take those ideas and create an agenda with all of those thoughts and ideas, or you could create that after you do your brain dump.